That's nice. We're just gonna make sure it's centered, side to side. That looks pretty decent. Let's stretch this puppy out. Okay. Just make sure we're about even on both sides. Let's take a look. You got a seal that comes right down along here, and that's gonna go right up against your tailgate. You wanna make sure that seal's touching against the tailgate. Just make sure that the seal is actually up against the bed of the truck, coming all the way across, and then down the line. That looks pretty decent. You just wanna make sure that front seal is definitely on the bed. Beautiful. Nice. Now we're gonna come right under here. All right, here's this. You're gonna pull it up there. We need to get this all the way up to this point and start snugging it. There we go. Wanna make sure that's nice and snug. It doesn't move around. This right here is a safety strap. You need to make sure that you put this on the vehicle as well. Do the same to the other side of the vehicle. The next thing you want to do is take this adjustable bracket right here and mount it on the bed of your vehicle. When you do that, you want this triangle to line up with this area right here. There we are. Try to make it so it's centered. That looks decent. At this point, you're going to tighten these two so they're nice and snug. That's pretty good for now. Let's latch this down. Okay. If you look right up along here, you can see there's a pretty big gap. We don't want any of that gap. I want this to be nice and tight. To do that, you loosen this and draw this down. I'm just going to slide this right down to its bottom point. I'm going to rest this. Let's try snugging it right here. Latch it down. Okay, as you can tell, that's a little bit too far. That's a good thing, because now we know we need to come up a little bit. Let's bring it up a click or two. Go right in the center. How's that? That feels nice and tight. The tonneau cover cannot lift up from the bed of the truck. I love it. Let's snug it up. At this point, you would do the same to the other side of the vehicle. Let's try that. Oh yeah, that's nice and snug. Perfect. All right, let's test this. A little wiggle. That feels nice and secure. When you want to open it up, you just grab this strap right here. Nice. Climb on up. Grab this strap, latch it in, make sure it's nice and tight. Do the same to the other side. Beautiful.